Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain how to freeze rows and columns in Excel sheets. Sometimes we will be having a huge number of data in the Excel sheet and we want that headings of the heading of the data that will be available whenever we are moving down. So in that case what we'll do is we'll freeze the rows and columns. So how to do that one I will explain in this one. So we can do these freezings in different ways. Means if you want to do only top row, or if you want to do first column, or if you want to do freezing for the top three rows, or if you want to do freezing for only first three columns, or if you want to do freezing for the some of the rows and some of the columns. These are all five I will explain in how to do that one in Excel sheet. So open your Excel sheet. So here I have taken a sample data. So the first thing is how to do freeze in the top row. So go to Excel. In the Excel there is a option called view. Click on that one. When you click on view, it will showing the option called freeze band. So click on that one. By default Excel is providing two options, to freeze the top row or to freeze the first column. So when you click on freeze top row and see here, see first top row means serial number, name, father name, these are will not be moving up. See, if you go down, see serial number, name, father name, location, these are not moving up. So in this way you can freeze the top row. And if you want to again undo that freeze, go to freeze, unfreeze pans. So again see now the serial number is not displaying here. So in this way you can freeze the top row. And if you want to do freezing for first column, so click on freeze pans and click on freeze first column. So when you do the freeze first column, and if you are see in the right side, if you are moving, the first serial number will not be changed. See, so in this way you can do freeze for only the first column. So here I have completed 2 points, first one, second one. And now if you want to freeze top three rows only, so now again I am unfreezing this one. And now I want to freeze only top three rows. If you want to do top three rows, place your cursor in the third cell, first column, and now go to the freeze pan. Now click on freeze pan. See now, if you are moving down, first three rows will not be changed. See, serial number, first row, second row is not changing. Only below rows are moving moving up or down. So in this way you can freeze top three rows. Again go to unfreeze. Now fourth one is freeze first three columns. So go to your Excel sheet. If you want to freeze first three columns only, so go to the first row in the fourth cell, place your cursor and go to freeze pans. Click on freeze pan option. Now see, serial number, name, father name will not be changed. Location, data, right side columns only it's moving. First three columns are freeze. So in this way you can freeze first three columns. Now unfreeze. And last one is freeze top three rows and first two columns. So go to your Excel sheet. Here it's saying first three rows. I need first three rows and first two columns should not be changed. So first three columns means up to three, and first two columns should not be changed. So go to C column, and now go to the freeze pan. Click on freeze pan. Now see, here you are able to see this small arrow type of small dot line, means these top three rows and left two columns will not be moved. Now check that one. See, father name is changed column and rows. From the third row only it is moving top down. So in this way, you can freeze rows and columns in the Excel sheet. Thank you.